Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can feed your pets and grow a garden. It isn't really necessary, but I just feel like if you want to take care of your pets and you really take this game seriously, this is how you would feed them. I'm just going to take a fruit. It doesn't really matter what it is. They can take anything, but I guess the bigger, the fuller their hunger bar will be, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So to feed, for instance, this rabbit, just kind of go near it. You have to kind of chase it a little bit and press the F button. As you can see, 0.4 kg strawberry is for 0.5 of their hunger. They're not gonna die or anything, but if you really want to take this game seriously, you could. What was that? Was that a pink corn? I don't know what that was. It looked like a corn to me. But anyways, that is how you can feed your pet and grow a garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.